Good afternoon, Petri. Papa, Oi, Boa. Are you okay now, Boa?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so are you ready now for our science? I want you to prepare your worksheet for our science. This one. I want you to prepare this one.
Okay.
Okay, you need to color this one, right? Color the picture, daytime and nighttime. Okay, prepare this worksheet. You have this worksheet by Bawa and Oi.
Color the picture, time, night time.
You have this worksheet by Bawa and Oi. Color the picture, daytime and nighttime. Okay, you have this one. You have this one by Bawa.
What?
You have this worksheet. You have this worksheet with you.
Here.
Oh,
Okay, by Bawa and also Oi. You have this worksheet.
โชว์ชีทให้ทีเชอร์ดูแล้ว
You didn't have worksheet this one, Oi. Not, no. Okay, so you need to come here, Oi, to pick this one up, Oi, okay?
เอาสีส้มดิลูก
You don't have this one? Okay, you need to come here, Oi, when you have time to pick this one up so you can follow this worksheet, okay, Oi? Okay, now let us start. Good afternoon, Ka. Okay, let us start. I prepared this one for you. For this one, we will okay, who is in there? Who is coming? Okay, Prow. Hi, Prow. Good afternoon, Prow. Okay, so we will discuss today about daytime and nighttime. Okay, look at this one. Daytime and nighttime. Okay, this is why we are going to color this one. So you can know how to color nighttime and daytime, okay? Have you seen? Daytime is light and nighttime is dark. So you can do the art. Okay, first, I want you to listen to this one. I want you to listen. How about you? Which you like most? Daytime or nighttime? Papa. Which you like most, Papa? Daytime or nighttime?
ชอบอะไรชอบกลางวันหรือชอบกลางคืน
Daytime.
Daytime. Why?
ก็พี่รถอะเนี่ยพี่หนึ่งอะ
Because
เห็นพี่รถ
choice
and satisfy
play
and
You can play.
daddy.
บอกว่าไปสบายแล้วนะ
You can play games. You can do many things during daytime, right? You can play many games you can do during daytime, and you can eat many kind of foods during daytime, right? But how about nighttime? You can only just
how about
who likes nighttime?
ใครชอบกลางคืน
Papa likes daytime. Bea, you are proud. You like daytime or nighttime? Day or night? Which you like more? Okay, during daytime, you can see this one, the clouds, the sun, and you can see the blue sky, okay? And you can do many things during daytime. We can do a lot of things during daytime. And during nighttime, we can see a moon, stars, and the skies becomes black, okay? But for nighttime also is very important because we need to rest. Okay, after a very long time during daytime, at nighttime, we can use the nighttime for us to rest our body, to sleep. Okay?
All night,
So, all
moon, star,
we
back
can
sky.
sleep. Okay? So we can see during nighttime the clouds, the sun, and the blue sky. And during nighttime, we can see moon, stars, and black skies. Now let's go to this one. For daytime, what we can see during daytime? In the day, I can see what?
Daytime, I can see the sun.
Sun, very good. Hey, Oi, can you see this one?
Yes.
And the daytime, I can see the, what is this?
Sun.
Sun. Okay, we can see the sun. How about Baiboa? Can you read this?
In the
Daytime,
no,
I can see
I can see
the
อะไรลูก
sun.
sun. Okay, Prao, can you read this one, Prao? In Prao, in the daytime, okay, can you say it? I can see the sun. Okay, in the daytime, you can see the sun. Okay, look at this one. Okay, Papa. Can you read this one, Papa?
In the daytime, I can see a rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay. What is this? Baiboa, what is this, Baiboa?
Rainbow.
Rainbow, oi? Rainbow, right?
Rainbow.
Okay, can you read this one? Can you try to read this one? Baiboa? And?
In the
Yes?
I can see
Uh,
a rainbow.
yes, very good. How about oi? Oi? In the daytime?
See rainbow.
A rainbow. Okay, very good. Okay, how about Proud? Can you read this one, Proud, first? And? Proud, I cannot hear you, Proud. I cannot hear you.
Oh,
You can go near to the audio, Proud. And can you repeat after me, Proud? And something wrong with your audio, Proud? Okay, in the daytime, I can see, just open your mouth, Proud. A rainbow. Yes, very good. Now, how about this one?
In the day,
yes, Papa. Time.
I can see clouds.
Clouds. Yes, you can see clouds during daytime. Okay, can you read this one again? Baiboa. And Baiboa.
In the daytime,
Yes.
I can see clouds.
Clouds. Yes, you can see clouds. How about Oi? Can you read this one, Oi? And Oi? Can you read this one? Yes. And daytime. I can see clouds. Very good. Okay, Frau, can you read this one, Frau? And I will just read your mouth, Frau. I cannot hear you, Frau. Okay, just okay. In the daytime, yes. I can see clouds. Yes, very good, Frau. You check your audio next time, Frau, okay? Okay, let's go to Papa. Okay. Eagle. This one is an eagle, okay? Eagle. Okay, very good, Papa. And I want to hear from you by Boa. Can you say this one? Can you read this one by Boa? And
daytime,
yes.
I can see an eagle.
Yes, very good. How about Oi? Can you read this one, Oi? Oi, can you read this one? And
I can see.
What is this, Oi? Eagle. Eagle, okay? I can see an eagle. And then how about this one? Just a minute. Okay, how about this one? We can see this one during daytime. And the sky will turn. The color of the sky will become. We can have a what color of the sky?
Blue.
Blue. So during daytime, the sky, the color of the sky is blue. So we have blue sky during daytime. Okay? And now let's go to nighttime, okay? Nighttime, okay? At night, I can see, what is this?
At night, I can see the moon.
Okay, the moon, okay? Okay, can you read this one by Boa? At night?
At night, I can see the moon.
Okay, Oi, can you read this one, Oi?
I can see the moon.
Okay, very good. Okay, Prao, can you read this one, Prao? At night? Prao? Yes? Prao, come on.
How?
See moon. Prao, is your audio not working, Prao? Okay, so okay, it's okay, Prao. You just open your mouth, okay? At night, I can see. Well, can you read this one, Papa?
Yeah. I can see stars.
Okay, stars. Very good, Papa. And how about by Boa? I can see star. Okay, Oi, can you read this one, Oi? At night, I can see.
I can see is
What is this?
stars.
Star. Very good. This one is a star. And how about Prao? Can you read this one? Okay, Prao. Just open your mouth, Prao. I can read your mouth, okay? At night, Prao, I can see. What's this? Star. Very good, Prao. I can see star. And you know what is this? Papa? What is this, Papa? Can you read it?
At night, I can see fireworks.
Yes, fireworks. Can see this one? During nighttime. And how about by Boa?
At night, I can see fireworks.
Fireworks. And Oi, can you read this one, Oi? Oi? At night? Yes?
Let's see.
What is this? Fireworks. Fireworks. Okay, Oi? At night, I can see fireworks. Okay, we can see this one. When we are celebrating, when we have our celebration, festival like that, New Year, okay, you can see fireworks. Okay, now let's go to this one. Okay, Frau. What is this, Frau? I can see fireworks. Okay, very good, Frau. Now let's go to this one. Can you read this one, Papa?
Oh. Ow. At night, I can see an owl.
Oh, okay. Oh, very good, Papa. By Boa, can you read this for us? At night?
At night, I can see an owl.
Yes, very good, by Boa. And how about Oi?
I can see
At night?
owl and good.
I can see an owl.
Owl and
See an owl. Okay, look. Okay. Oi? Have you read it? Okay, at night. Can you repeat after me, Oi? At night?
At night,
I can see an owl. An owl. Okay, this one is an owl, okay? Okay, let's go to Frau. Can you read this one, Frau? At night? Yes? I can. Yes, I can see an owl. Very good, Frau. How about this one? Papa? Papa, can you read this one?
At night, I can see a shooting star.
Yes, shooting star. Very good, Papa. Very good. And how about by Boa? Can you read this one for us?
At night, I can see a shooting star.
Shooting star. Oi, can you read Frau? Okay. Shooting star. Okay, very good, Frau. Come on, let's go to Oi. Oi, come on, Oi.
Can see you shooting
stars. Okay, very good. Okay, what about this one? What color we can can see in the sky during nighttime? What is the color in the sky?
Black.
Papa, the color of the sky. Color of the sky.
Black.
Yeah, okay, we can see black sky during nighttime. Black sky, okay? And we can, during nighttime, okay, morning time.
Morning.
No.
Okay, we can say morning,
Morning.
afternoon. This one is during daytime. During daytime, we have morning and we have afternoon. And during nighttime, we have evening and we have night. Okay? So, every morning when you wake up, look at this one. What will you say to mommy and daddy?
Good
morning.
Okay, this is good morning time. Say, good morning, daddy. Good morning, mommy. I love you. Don't forget to say I love you to mommy and daddy, okay? Okay, you have to always say, I love you, mommy. I love you, daddy. Like that, okay? Okay, that is a magic words, and mommy and daddy will be very happy. Okay? Don't forget to say that words, okay? So this one during morning, when you take your breakfast, when you wake up, this is the good morning time. And then after that, when we go to, it's noon time, the greetings will become
Good afternoon.
okay. During noon time, we will say good afternoon. Okay? From good morning, and then it becomes good afternoon, and then it will go to nighttime. What will we see? What will be the greeting during this time? Good
Evening.
Good evening. Okay. And then before we go to bed, again, we will tell to mommy and daddy what?
Good night.
Okay, we'll say good night. Can you say it?
Good night.
Good night, mommy.
Good night, mommy.
That's Papa. Can you say good night, mommy? Good night, daddy. I love you.
Mommy. Good night, daddy. I love you.
Yes. And then you have to hug to mommy and daddy, right? Okay. And then can I hear from you by Boa? You say good night to mommy and daddy. Okay. By Boa?
Good night, mommy. Good night, daddy. I love you.
I love you. Okay. I want to hear from you. Proud? Oi? Oi? Can you proud? Can you say this one proud?
And go.
Yes. I love you. Very good, proud. And where is Oi? Oi, can you say this one to mommy and daddy? Can you say this one, this words, Oi? What will you tell to mommy and daddy, Proy, before you go to sleep? Good night. Oi? Okay, Oi, can you say it? Good night.
Good night.
Mommy.
Good night, go.
Good night, mommy. Good night, daddy.
Daddy.
You have to say good night to mommy and daddy before you go to bed, right? And you have to say, I love you. Okay, don't forget that one. That is the number one. Right?
And mommy.
Yes. And then you say, huh? You need to say, good night, mommy. Good night, daddy. I love you. That is the number one magic words. Okay? Don't forget that one. That is the magic words. Now let's go to every night. Okay, every morning we have the sun will rise. Okay, look at this one. Every morning, the sun will rise. And in the afternoon, the sun will set. So we have to, in the morning, we have sunrise. And in the afternoon, we have sunset. And this one is the picture of good morning, sunshine. We have, this one is sunshine. The sun is shining. Look at this one. So let's good morning. Every morning, you can see the sun like this. This one, we call this one sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yes. You are my sunshine. You know that? My only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You know that song? You know that song? Anybody knows that song? Papa, you know that song, Papa? You're my sunshine. Okay, so you need to know that song. That is a very nice song, okay? So this one is this one, when the sun will comes up, we call that a sunshine. And that is a good morning sun. That is the time for us to say good morning. This one is, we call it sunshine. Okay? And when the sun will goes down, it's time for good night. Okay, this one already at night time, the sun will go down. And then this is the time for us to say good night and sweet dreams, because this time is night time. And we call this one as sunset. So we have sunshine and we also have sunset. Okay? You understand? So you know now sunshine and sunset. You know now daytime and nighttime. Okay, because we are going to follow that worksheet, I will share this one with you. The other clips. This one, you already understand sunshine and daytime and nighttime, right? So I have another here. I have another worksheet here to share with you about the color, because you are going to color that one. It's time to do the worksheet now, okay? Okay, now it's time to go to the color, because you are going to color your worksheet. I want to check if you can identify the color before. Okay, colors. Let's talk today about colors. Okay, you need to color now. Start coloring after this one, okay? Okay, can you tell me this color? Okay, at first we have to pen and draw. This is in your worksheet, right? This is in your worksheet. We already penned the drawing. This is already the drawing. So we will do this one first. Okay. This one is what? It's a, what is this? You know what is this? This is a cat. This is the cat. And the color of the cat is? Black. Black. Where is the black in here? Have you seen the black here? Is it black? Is it black? Where is the black? Is this the one? You saw the black?
No.
Oh no. How about this one?
No.
No.
No. How about this?
Yes.
Yes.
Black.
The color of the cat is black. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one. What is this? Can you read, Papa?
This flower is yellow.
Yellow. Okay. This flower is red, yellow. So where is the yellow color here? So we can color the flower. Is this the one?
No.
No. This one?
No.
No.
No. And about this one?
No.
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 Okay.
No.
No. How about this one?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Yellow. And now let's go to this one. Okay. Can you read it? Can you read, Papa? You can read it?
It's brown.
Brown. Yeah. Where is the brown in here? Have you seen the brown? This one?
No.
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 How about this? Yes.
Brown.
The color of the cup is brown. Okay. So you know how to color already. You know the different color already. How about this one? Can you read this one? Yes. This one. This one, brown. Yes, brown. That one. You color that one, brown. You color this one. Yes, brown. That one. Yes, brown. Yes. This one. Yes. Okay, you have to color that one, brown. Okay. You have to choose your color and make your work nice. Okay. 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 Papa, can you read, Papa?
This book is blue.
Okay, by Boa, can you read this one? This book, by Boa, you read this one? Oi, can you read this one?
Book.
Yes. Yes. What is the color of the book? It's blue.
Yellow.
Okay, blue. And where is the color blue here? Is this the one?
No.
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 How about this one?
No.
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 How about
Blue.
this? Yes. That is color blue. And now let's go to this one. The color of the pen is
It's red.
red. Red. So where is the color red here? Is this the one, Papa?
No.
No. How about this one?
No.
Okay. And how about this?
Yes.
Yes. So we color
Red.
red. Okay. You like it? You know already a different color? Okay. How about this one? Can you read this one?
This marble is purple.
Purple. Okay. Where is the purple here? Is this the one?
No.
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 And how about this one, Papa? By Boa? No.
No.
And how about this one? Is this?
No.
No. Can you say your answer?
No.
No. And how about this one?
Yes.
Purple.
Yes. This one is color purple. Okay. And now let's go to this one.
Is
Okay. Look at this one.
this gray?
Snake is? What is the color of the snake?
Green.
Gray. Okay, where is the gray color here? Is this the one?
No.
No.
How about this one?
No.
No.
Where is the color gray? Is this the one?
No.
No.
And how about this?
Yes.
Yes.
Gray.
The color of the snake is color gray. And look at this one. Can you read it?
This that dry. Jumper is green.
Green. Okay, where is the color green here? Is this the one?
No.
No. And how about this one?
No.
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 Okay, where is the color green? Oh, I think this one.
No.
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 So this?
Yes.
Yes, this is
Green.
the color green. Okay, so we color the jumper color green. And how about this one?
Is it the crayon is orange?
Orange. Okay, where is the color orange here? This one? No. This one?
No.
No.
Oh. And?
Yes.
Yes.
Orange.
This one is color orange. Okay? So you know how to color your worksheet? You know already? You know, okay. What is the color of the bear? Color?
White.
White. And where is the white here? Color white is this the one?
No.
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 And how about this?
No.
No.
Okay. Where is the color white here? Is this the one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. You are all very good. Now let's go to this one.
This is pink.
Hi, Bea. Good afternoon, Bea. Okay. This gap is pink. Okay. So where's the Bea? You prepare this one, Bea. You have to color this one, Bea. You have to color this one. And the gap is
Alrighty, kids.
okay. Okay, Bea, you have to color that one daytime and nighttime. And the gap is color pink. Is this a pink color, Papa?
No.
No. No.
No.
And this one?
No.
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 And how about this one?
Yes.
Pink.
Yes, this is color pink. Okay, so you understand already? You know already how to color your worksheet? Huh? You know already how to color your worksheet? Okay. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. You want to guess another color? You want to guess color? You want to check more another color? One more. Okay. What is the color of? Okay, look at this one. Cherries are color. What color of the cherry?
Red.
Red? Is it red? Okay, where is the red here? Is this the one?
No.
No. Is this the one?
Yes.
Yes.
Red.
Red. Cherry is color red. And let's go to this one.
This is the
One
sun.
is color.
Is the sun.
Color what?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where is the yellow here? Can you read the yellow color?
No. No.
This is the
Yes.
one? Yes.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. And how about this one?
This is the butterfly.
The butterfly is what color the butterfly?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Can you read here? Where is the color blue here? Is this the one?
No.
How about this one?
No.
How about next?
Yes.
Yes.
Blue.
Color blue. Okay. Okay. And now let's go to this one.
This is leaf. This leaf is green.
Green. So where is the color of the green here? Is this the one?
No.
No. Is this the one? By Boa, look at here. No. And this one is?
Green.
Yes.
Green.
Green. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to this one.
This is the flamingo.
Flamingo. Yes. Can you read it?
Me.
Papa? Pink. Okay. This flamingo. Okay. Flamingos are pink. So where is the pink here? Can you help me find the pink here? Is this the
No.
pink?
No.
How about this one?
No.
No. How about this one?
Yes.
Yes, this is the
Pink.
pink color. Okay. Okay, now let's go to this one. The
This
flower is color.
This is flower.
Okay, this is flowers, yes. This
Color.
flower is color what?
Color
Color?
pink. Pink.
No,
No.
no. Color what?
Purple.
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 Color purple. Okay? Yay! So you know how to color your worksheet already? And you know already the different color, right? Okay. Orange. So where is the color? Can you read the orange here? Is this the orange?
No.
No. How about this one?
No.
No. How about this one?
No.
How about this?
Yes.
Okay.
Orange.
Orange. Okay? Okay. Now let's go to this one. How about that? This one.
Cow.
Can you read it?
This is a cow.
Clouds. Yes.
Or white.
White. Very good. And now, where is the white words here? This one?
No.
How about this one?
No.
How about this?
No.
And this one?
Hmm?
This one?
No.
White.
Yes, white. This one is white. Okay? Okay. So, you understand already?
This
Suit is, what's the
red.
color of the suit? Gray. Very good. Is this the one?
No.
Is this the one?
No.
Okay,
Gray.
color gray. Okay, now let's go to this one. How about this?
This is a
What is this? This is a,
This is a
this tracer is,
isสีอะไร brown
brown.
is it brown?
Brown.
Yes, it's brown, okay? And now let's go to this one. But how about this?
It's a cat.
Cat color?
Black.
Black. Is this the color black? Can you read? Where's the black color here?
No. 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 Yes.
Black.
Okay, black. Okay, so you know very well about the color already. So I know now that you know how to color this one, right? Okay, how to color your worksheet. So I think this is all for today. Key 3. Okay, our time is already up, and I want to say thank you so much for your cooperation, for answering all the questions here. You are all so smart, Key 3. Thank you so much.
thank you
Okay, I'll see you again tomorrow, Key 3. Okay, bye, Key 3. Thank you. Our time is already up. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Okay, bye.
bye
Bye, thank you. Thank you, Pa.